So hello everyone, my name is Aryan Tiwari and I am back with a new video. So in this video we will discuss about MySQL, which is a very essential tool in the field of data science. So if you are new to the channel, please like and subscribe. So we will discuss about MySQL commands first. So there are total 5 commands in MySQL. These are named as DDL, which stands for Data Definition Language. The second one is DML, which stands for Data Manipulation Language. And these two, DDL and DML, are the basics, and you can say the backbone of the SQL. So if you know these two commands, you can conquer SQL easily. The other three are DQL, which is known as Data Query Language, and the fourth one is DCL, which is known as Data Control Language. Data Control Language, and the fifth one is TCL, which is known as Transaction Control Language. So these five are the command in MySQL. So in this video we will focus on DML and DDL mainly, because these two are the backbone. I have already told you. If you can command these two, you can easily do well in the database part. So first I will start with DDL. So DDL, as I have told you, it stands for Data Definition Language. So this command defines our database completely, and some commands I will tell you. First I will give you some overview about the commands, then we will implement all these in the SQL server. So first is the create. So create is a command which is used to create a database or a table. If you are creating a database or a table, you need to use create command. So the second command is alter. So if you want to alter the structure of a database, like you want to add something or drop or some modify, you can do with alter command. So the third one is drop command. I already told you it is used with alter only. If you want to drop any table or any data, you can use drop command. The fourth command is truncate. Truncate, you know, it is used to remove some records from table. If you want to remove some records from a table, you can use truncate. The fifth one is command, which is not used generally. These four are used, but command is used to, like, you if you want to add some commands in your data. So these are some DDL commands. These will deal with the definition of your structure. So now we will go on DML. So DML is data manipulation language. You can see this will deal with the manipulation of your data. Like if you want to manipulate your data, manipulate in terms of, like, if you want to insert something in your data. So first command is insert only. If you want to insert something in your data, you can use insert command. Second is if you want to update some command, like if you want to update your existing data in your database, you can use update command for the same. The third is delete command. Delete command, you know, it is used to delete the records. And the, like, interviewers also ask, this is a very favorite question, what is the difference between delete and drop? So difference is that drop is used to drop a table. It will drop a table, and delete is used to delete some record from that table. It will not delete a table, it will just delete some records, and records can be like columns or rows. So this is the difference, and this is a very important question in view of interview. And the fourth is select, and select is a command which will use to retrieve columns from data or rows, and this command you will use in every query you write, whether it is of DQL or DML. So these are some DML commands. So in this video I will give you an overview of DDL and DML only in the SQL server. These three, I will make a part 2. This is part 1, and we will talk about these three commands in part 2. So now you have got an overview of the commands. So now we will move to the SQL and implement each of the commands. You can see I will show you the implementation. So now we will move to SQL. So you can see this is the MySQL 8.0 command line client. So this is a server that I have taken from the SQL main website. I will drop the link in the description box from where you can download. So you can download SQL, Oracle, or any other database. So I personally like this workbench, so I have downloaded this. So now we will start with the first basic command that I have told you, which is create database. Like you want to create a database and you want to give a name, like you can give any name. I want to give SQL, and you have to put semicolon after this, and now you have to enter. Oh, what is the error? Create database. Oh, so this is the error I get to know. You want, like I want to give any name, like any name, like you want to create RR, any random name. So you can see query OK when row affected. This means your database is created. So now if you want to use this database, you need to write use RR. I have given any random name, you can give any name, use RR. So you can see database changed. So we will work on this database only. So now we will create a table. Like you can see, create table, and any, like I want to give table name demo. So this is the table name, and now you have to enter the columns you want your table. Like I want to give name, and I will write varchar. I will tell you. So varchar is a type of database. Like is, it will give you like you know about int, float, char. So this is also a type of database only, which means that I have given name first column where char 20 means limit of 20 characters. So you can put a name which has 20 characters only. It will, if it exceed 20, then the value would not be inserted. So this is the first column. I am giving a random column. So now I will give age, and age, you know, it is a numeric, so we will give integer database to it. Data type, so data type. Then I will give any random column marks. Marks also, you know, it is a numeric column, so we will give integer data type in marks also. Then any random, like I want to give surname. Surname, you know, it is the label, so we will give again varchar, and we will keep size again 20. So this is the command. Now you have to put semicolon and enter. So you can see query OK, zero rows affected, which means the table is created. Now if you want to see this table, you can write DESC and table name. Table name is demo. So you can see DESC is describe. So you can see field is name, age, mark, surname. These are the columns. Type, data type, varchar, int varchar. These are the constraints. We will talk about these constraints in future videos. Not null, primary key, default, extra. These are all the constraints. You don't need to focus on this now. So this is these we have implemented two commands. You can see from here: create database, create table. Now we will do alter and drop. We will do both these. So now I want to, like you want to, so alter command is you first need to write alter, then you need to write table, alter table, and then you need to write the table name. Table name is demo, and then if like I want to add something, like I want to add any column, like I want to add sports column, so I will write add sports column, and then again we have to give the data type varchar 20 and then semicolon. So you can see query OK, 0 affected, record 0, duplicate 0, which means this command is successfully executed. And now I'm going to see the command execution. So you can again write DSC and the table name is demo. Now you can see So guys, this video is made in the continuation of the previous video. So we executed till describe demo in the previous video. So now you can see that sports is now added in this column. So now we will continue from where we left. So now we have added, now we will drop something. I want to drop, so I will write alter table demo and drop. So you can drop any, like if I want to drop age column, so you just need to write alter table drop demo and drop age. So now you can again see query okay, 0 rows affected, which means that the age column is dropped. And if you want to see that it is dropped or not, you can just write DESC and again demo. So now you can see age is not, you can say name, marks, and name, sports. Age is not available now, so it is dropped. So we have executed the commands of alter. Now we will move to the DML part. Wait, the last query is also left. If you want to modify also, like you will write alter table modify, and you can see here the surname is of 20 size. So I want my surname to be of 30 size. I will write alter table modify surname varchar and just I will write 30. So now if I execute this, oh, what is the error? Alter table modify surname. Wait, yeah, this is the error. I get to know. Alter table. Alter table. Oh, I forget to write the table name. My mistake, sorry. Alter table demo. Alter table demo modify surname. And now if I execute this, oh, what I am doing, man. Sorry. Syntax error. You have to write the table name also. Alter table demo and then alter table demo modify surname varchar. Now it will work. It should work now. Yeah, you can see query okay, 0 affected. Now if you want to see the change, you can see again write DSC demo. Now you can see the surname is of 30 size. So these are the DDL commands. Now we'll move to the DML commands. And the first DML command is insert. If you want to insert the data, so we will write insert into table name is demo and then we will write values. You have to remember the syntax for the insertion part. So we have total 4 columns: name, marks, surname, sports. So we need to enter 4 values, like name is, my name is Aryan, marks if I want to give 50, surname like my surname is Tiwari, and sports I play is cricket. So these are the values that I want to add and you have to just enter. Oh, what is the error? Oh, I missed the closing bracket here. You need to provide the closing and the opening parenthesis bracket here. If you don't provide these brackets, then this type of error will occur in your program. So, and this error irritates too much. Like you can see, this comes again and again. So you have to just enter the command again and again. After some time, this error will, oh, this error is not going. So I will just restart my SQL server again. SQL command line client. You have to insert password. And I will again use our database name was RR. And now I can again left from where this is the command insert into demo values. And I was here. Surname. So now I will enter. So now you can see query okay. This was the error, and this, if that error occurs, you can also close your program and again start. So then that error will not occur. So now I will insert more values like this only. Like I can insert to any name like Rahul and marks is 60, and you can give any surname like Sharma, and any sports like I forgot, football, you can give football, and now you can again enter. So you can again see query. Okay, now I am randomly entering the values. You can enter any of the values you want. I will write Kunal. Again we will go and I will enter one more so that our database will look nice. And one I will give female name Richa, any surname Jan, Jan, and I will give badminton. So now I will enter. So now you can see these values. And if you want to see how our table looks, you have to write select star from table name demo. Table name is demo, and you can see these are the name, marks, surname, sports. Name is RN, Rahul, Kunal, Richa. These are the marks, surname, sports. So this is our table. This is our table which we created. And now I will focus on the next query, which is update. If you want to update something, like I want to increase marks of RN by 30, like I want to increase the marks equal to 80, now it is 50 now. So if you want to write this query, you can use update. And update, you can update, you have to write table name demo set, and I want my marks equal to marks plus 30, so that marks becomes 80. Now it is 50, I want my marks to be 80, so marks is equal to marks plus 30. And where I want my marks, so my name is RN, I will write where name is equal to RN, and I will execute. So you can see queries, okay, rows matched. This is the changes one warning. And if I want to see that if updation is happened or not, I will again write select star from demo. Now you can see marks is equal to 80 of RN. So marks are increased by 30. So update is performed. And if you can do any updation in the query you want, like if you want, I will again copy. We will update anything. Like if you want to update name is equal to Richa. Like if you want to change the sport of Richa, like I want did demo student set sports is equal to, I want Richa sport as chess instead of badminton. I will write this like update demo set sports is equal to chess where name is equal to Richa. And now if update states chess where name is equal to Richa. So you can again see query, okay, rows matched, which means that Richa's sports has updated to chess instead of badminton. And if you want to see the updation, you can again write select star from demo. So you can see now her sport was previously badminton and now it is chess. So now we will move to the last query, which is delete. If you want to delete something from your data, how can you do it? So now we will write the delete command. So delete command is you will write delete from the table name is demo, and if you want to delete Richa's values, you will write delete from where name and name is Richa. So this will delete the values of Richa. You can see query, okay, and again if you want to see, you will write select star from demo. So you can see only RN, Rahul, Kunal are there. Marks, surname, Richa's column is completely deleted from our data. So guys, this is the DDL and the DML commands which I told you in this video. In the part 2 video, we will focus on the TCL, DQL and DQL commands. So if you like the video, please like and subscribe and stay connected. So guys, thank you.